Good evening, guys. I believe we have our Canva set up already. Okay, so we'll continue, and I believe you had a great day today. Okay, so in this lesson, I am going to be showing you around Canva and all of the functions you can carry out on Canva, all of the tricks and all of that. Then in the next lesson we'll start designing proper. Okay, so once you open your Canva app on your phone, this is what you will see. Okay, the interface will look like this. And one very special feature of Canva is that they already have the canvas for you. The canvas simply means what you'll be doing your design on. Okay, when we used to do graphics design using Photoshop or CorelDRAW, when you start, the first thing you want to do is to pick your measurements. Okay, you pick the pixels you want to use, the height and the length that you want your design to have, and then you have to fix that manually. Okay, but all of that has been done for you on Canva. All right, and simply you have all the templates. Okay, you have thousands of templates that you can select from. All you have to do is to pick the one you like, edit it to your taste, and then you have what you are looking for. Okay, so as you can see here, if you want to design Instagram posts, you have them here. Okay, if you want to add to your story, poster, animated social media, if you want to design a logo, Instagram story, flyer, photo collage, card, invitation, phone wallpaper, video presentation, video, business card, menu, postcard, A4 document, brochure, poster, landscape, infographic, resume, cycle sticker, t-shirt, magazine, desktop wallpaper, invitation, portrait, announcement, book cover, certificate, Zoom virtual background, mobile video, gift certificate, label, WhatsApp story, folded card, program, Facebook video, planner, newsletter, calendar, banner, presentation, blog graphic, canvas print, album cover, letter, graph, flyer, card, invoice. I like a lot. Okay, now once you've decided this is what you want to design, all you have to do is to come to Canva and look for that category. Okay, this is because when you are designing, it's very important to get the right measurement. For instance, when you are uploading a picture on Facebook, the space allocated for pictures is in a particular size. Okay, if you upload a picture that is not that will not fit that size that Facebook is allocating to pictures, what you have is you find out that your picture is either not appearing completely in the space provided, or maybe you find it too small and then you have maybe blank spaces around the picture. Okay, so using Canva, you don't have to worry about the measurement again. So if you want to design a flyer, all you have to do is to come to the flyer category. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of templates you can pick from. You can click see all so that you can get access to more templates. Okay, so what you want to do here is to come and pick a design that you think will suit what you want to do. Okay, there are a lot of design, and as you can see, most of them are free. As a matter of fact, since I've been using Canva, I've been using the free version and it has been serving me well. Okay, basically everything you need to do on Canva is available on the free version. All right, the only major function I think is not available on the free version is removing image background. Okay, and I'll show you how you can do that alternatively easily. Okay, so you can just pick any of the templates here. Then if you want to, let's say you want to design posters, social media, photo collages, you want to design a book cover, you can come to the book cover category and pick a template. You want to design YouTube thumbnails, you come to YouTube thumbnail category, pick a thumbnail. Okay, so whatever you want to design, just come to that category and pick a template that you use, and then you have your design as simple as that. Okay, so very quickly, let me just show you some of the functions on Canva. Okay, So I want to pick, okay, let me just pick this. Let me just go for Instagram post, and then I'll pick a blank template. Okay, so this is just to show you some functions. Okay, let me use another template, okay, so that I can actually do some specific stuffs. Okay, so now here we have a template. Let me just finish loading. Okay, here we have a template. Now all of these objects are editable. Okay, you can just click on them to select. You can select, move around. Okay, you can drag it around. This right up here. Okay, this background here, you can actually change the background. This right up here, you can select, move around. Okay, you can change this right up, let's say July. You can change this right up to July sale or July special sale, or Ilea sale, the way you see some people do. Okay, in case you don't know, 90% of graphics you see on social media are all made from Canva. Okay, if not Canva, Pixabay, another very popular graphics design tool. Okay, this one you can also edit the right up here. Just double tap, your keyboard will pop up, and then you edit whatever you want to edit. Okay, now if you want to delete this element completely, an item on your workspace is called an element. Okay, any item on your workspace is an element. If you want to delete it, you have the delete icon here that you can just delete. Okay, if you want to like go back, okay, you made a mistake, just like Ctrl Z, you can bring it back. Okay, then if you want to change the color of your right up here, you have the color option that you can do that. Okay, if you want to change the font size, you can do that using font size function here. Okay, you can actually increase or reduce the font size. Okay, if you want to duplicate it, so I have two of it right now, you can duplicate more. Okay, and then all of that. All right, then if you want to different formatting style, you can just pick any format you want to justify, align it to the left, align it to the right, or centralize. You can do that. You want to number it, you want to bullet it, you can do that from the format part here. Okay, you want to add effect. Okay, you want your write up to have different shape or some style, you can just pick that from here. Okay, then you can also adjust the spacing. This is when your text has more than one lines, you can adjust the spacing. You can animate it also. Let's say you want your text to be dancing on your wall. All right, so you can also, I've told you about text before, about color, sorry. You can actually edit your color from here. So as you can see, everything is easy, more or less like drag and drop. Okay, if you want the color of your text to be the color of an item on your design already, you can just come here and pick. Okay, then you can adjust the transparency, you can reduce the transparency and increase the transparency. Okay, so that is basically that for text. All right, then you can lock. Locking simply means you will no longer be able to edit it except you unlock again. Okay, so that is that for text. Then some other functions here. First, you can always change the background that you have. Okay, now what we have there right now is what was given to us from the template. If you want to change the background of your design, you can come here to the background section and then pick any background that you like. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of backgrounds here that you can select from. You can choose plain colors, or you can choose just any of these sweet backgrounds that we have here. Okay, when we start designing, you'll be able to relate to some of these functions better. Okay, if you want to add text, you can come here and add your own text. Okay, you want to add a heading, a subheading, or add a little body text, or you want to add specific already designed write-ups. Okay, you can also search for them. Okay, let's say you want a text on let's say on Christmas, so it will bring out Christmas text for you. Okay, you want to search for a text on whatever, you can just come here and search and it will bring them out for you. Okay, to spice up your design. Then for the element, you can add different elements. You can add shapes, you can add graphics or stickers, you can add images, you can add videos from the element section. Okay, you can also add charts, you can add frames. Okay, you can add grids. Frames are under frames, you actually insert objects or images into frames. Okay, that's what you do with frames. Also, you can add any of those elements from this element section. Okay, and if you want to upload a file, okay, you have a file, maybe an image or a video or an audio file on your phone that you would like to add to your design, you can just come to the uploads here. Okay, you come to the uploads here and then you click upload media, and then you select the file you want to upload and it will be added to your Canva. Okay, so I think that is that about some of the major functions. The remaining functions, you will learn it as we start editing. Okay, so let me go back. So once you've finished your editing, to save your work, you just click this, like this upload icon here. You just click on it and then it will give you options. The options you can use to send it out of Canva. Do you want to share to your social media directly? What you want to do is to save to your device. Okay, so you just click save as. Then they are suggesting you save with MP4 format. That was because we animated one of the text, but most times you want to save as a PNG image or a JPEG image. Okay, you can also save in PDF standard quality or PDF printable. Okay, so you can just choose any of the format you want to print, you want to save your work in, depending on the purpose you are using it for. All right, so you just click, then you click download, and then after all of this process, your design will be saved to your phone. Okay, so as simple as that, as simple as that. So I believe by now you are seeing how easy it can be designing with Canva. All right, how easy it can be designing with Canva. Basically, you are going to learn more on it when we start designing. So in the next lesson, first I'm going to show you how to remove image backgrounds. Okay, how to remove image background fast. Then I will show you how to design properly. We'll design practically, and then you do your own assignments, and then we'll continue from there. All right.